Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit password page in Shopify. So simply what you need to do, just you have to click on your online store, and now here you can find the preferences option. Just click here, and now you have to scroll down, and simply when you check all the details available here, so here you can see the password option. So simply now I want to edit this, so simply here I am typing some random words like this: welcome to our store. So here you can also add the password. So now after this you can also change all these settings. Now I'm typing name here, message title, welcome. Now after this click on save. So now you can check we have successfully added our password page in Shopify. Here you can see.